Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you an advanced hip-hop routine to Captain Hook. Let's get started.
Real hot girl shit.
To begin this one, you're going to hold 1, 2, you're going to crack it 3, 4, you're going to hold it again 5, 6, crack it again 7, 8. That's just a little bit of an intro. From there, you're going to come 1, you're going to circle 2, 3, you're going to bring it through 4. From here, you're going to kick ball change 5 and 6. You're going to step it out 7, 8. So once again, you're here, 1, hold 2, this is crack, crack, hold 5, 6, crack, crack, this is 1, 2, 3, bring it through 4, kickball change, 5 and 6, step out 7, 8, and I add a little pop on each one of those. From there, you're going to scoop out 1, you're going to bring it in 2, with those feet together. Come up 3 and up 4. So I'm just going up, up, down, down. From here, you're going to step up 5, drop it down on 6, bring it open 7, open it all the way up on 8. So this is 1, 2, 3 and a 4, 5, 6, open up 7, 8. From there, you're going to step back 1 and bring it through to your hips on 2. You're going to pop it 3, 4. You're going to go down your leg 5 and 6. Bring it up 7. Open it up 8. So let's piece that together from the beginning. You're here. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3. Bring it through 4. Kick, ball, change, pop, pop, scoop, 2, 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 7. Open 8. 1 to your hips on 2, 3, 4. Down your leg 5 and 6, 7, open up 8. From here, you're going to do 3 steps. 1 and 2. Bring your heel forward. 3, 4. And all I'm doing is switching those hands, and I do a chest pop. From here, you're going to drop it down 5. Just press, bring it up, and 6. And then you're going to be sassy, 7, 8. All right, let's piece that together. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3 through 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. From there, scoop it 1, 2, 3 and a 4, 5, 6. Open it up 7, 8. Bring it through 1, 2, 3, 4. Down your leg 5 and 6, 7. Open it up 8. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Chest, pop, drop, tap, tap, sassy. From here, you're going to push and jump. 1, 2. So my foot activates that jump. 1, 2. You're going to circle 3, 4. You're going to angle and punch 5, 6. You're going to chest pop 7, 8. So that last count of 8 is 1, 2. Circle, circle, pop, 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 pop. Good. Let's piece that all together. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Open 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 to your hips, 2, 3, 4, down your leg, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 3 steps, 1 and 2. Chest, pop, drop, tap, tap, sassy, jump, 2, circle, punch, punch, chest, pop. Okay guys, moving on from here, you're going to step 1, you're going to swing it around, and a 2, 3, you're going to pop it, and 4. You're going to bring your foot forward, and 5 and 6, and I'm just kind of casual with my hands, and then I'm going to be sassy 7, 8 with my shoulders. So once again, this is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, sassy. From there, step back 1, bring this arm all the way around and hit that hip on 2. Step that forward leg out, 3, hit it, 4. Step on that foot, 5, pull it in, 6. Step 7, and you're gonna swing it around, 8. Good, let's piece that together. So we're here, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, up, up, sassy, step, hip, step, pop it, step, pull it in, hold, arm. All right, guys, let's piece this all together. So you're here, 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Open 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down the leg. 7. Open 8. 1 and 2. Chest, pop, drop, tap, tap. Shoulders, jump. 2, circle. 3, 4, punch it, 5, punch it, 6, 7, 8. Now swing that arm, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 4, back, shoulder, shoulder. Step back, 2, 3, pop it, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, from there, you're going to push it all the way with your hand whip. 1, 2. You're going to pop 3 and 4. You're going to circle your chest. 5, 6. Step that front foot out. 7. Crack that hip on 8. You're going to groove it. 1, 2, 3. You're going to throw it. 4. You're going to kind of walk in a circle. 5, 6, 7. Hook. So once again, that last couple counts of 8. We just did 8. Swing it through. 1, 2. Chest down. Circle, circle. Step to your hip. Groove. 2, 3. Throw it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then that puts us to the chorus. So let's try that from the very beginning. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, 6, 7. Open 8. 1 to your butt. 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Heel, back, drop, tap, tap, shoulder, you jump, 1, 2, circle, punch, punch, hit, hit, swing it, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, up, up, shoulder, shoulder, step back, 1, 2, 3, hit, 5, pull it in, 7, 8, swing it through, 2, pop and drop. Circle, circle, step to your hip. 1, 2, groove it through. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, from there, you're gonna step it out and you're gonna sass it up. 1, 2. You're gonna do 2 hips, 3 and 4. You're gonna quickly step onto that. 5, 6, 7, step behind you, 8. Do it again. 1, 2, then you're gonna push that heel out, out and out. So once again, you're here, 8. This scoops 1, 2, pop and pop. Slide, chug into it, step behind, in, out. From here, you're gonna circle your chest. 5, 6, so it's 1 slow, 2 fast, 7, 8. So let's piece that together. You're here, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, in, out, circle, quick. From here, we're almost done. You're gonna chest hop 1 and 2. You're gonna repeat it and travel 3 and 4. You're gonna step back, hit, drop, and pop. So I'm just locking it into place. 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, you're gonna go forward 1, 2, similar to the beginning, point. You're gonna push back 5, step 6, jump 7. And that is the end of your choreography. So let's go ahead and do that last section. You were here on 8. You scoop 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, push it out, circle, quick. Now travel 3 and 4, back, front, back, lock it in. 1, 2, point, push back, step, jump, and you're done. So let's go ahead and piece that together from the very beginning. You hold 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, down, 3 and a 4, 5, 6. Open it up. 1 to your hip, 3 and 4, 5 and down the leg, 7. Open it up. 1 and 2. Heel back. Drop, tap, shoulders, jump. 1, 2, circle 3, 4, punch 5, punch 6, 7, 8. Swing it 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Forward, back, shoulders, step back. 1, 2, 3, hit, step and pull, step, swing. 1, 2, pop and drop, chest, circle, step to your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle 5, 6, 7 to your chorus. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, in, out, circle 5, 6, 7. Now travel 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Back, front, back, lock it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's try that one more time, but let's go a little bit faster because it's definitely faster with music. Ready? 5, 6, 7. You hold 1, 2. This is click. 1, 2, click. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Open up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down no leg. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, shoulders, push, 2, circle, punch, punch, pop, pop, swing it, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, chest, pop, circle, hit, 1, 2, groove, 4, circle, 6, 7 to the chorus, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, in, out, 5, 6, 7, travel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright guys, it is now time to piece that together with the music, so good luck and try your best.
Real hot girl shit.
Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that hip-hop combo. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below for fresh new videos every week.